Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So, in the previous video, we have started chapter 15, that is simple future tense. We have discussed the usage of going to, the use of going to for making positive sentence, use of going to for making negative sentence, use of going to for making questions. The formulas we have discussed. We have also started the usage of will. We have discussed few example. So now we will move on to the using of will for making positive sentences, negative sentences and question marks. So let us start. Using will for making positive sentences. We use the formula given below to frame positive sentences using will. So this is the formula: subject plus will plus the root form of verb. So what is the subject here? I plus will plus the root form of verb, that is write, and a letter. So I will write a letter. So what is going to happen? That I will be writing a letter. So it's in the future form. Using will for making negative sentence. Again, for making negative sentence, we usually add not. We use the formula given below to frame negative sentences using will. Subject plus will not plus root form of verb. So I will not write a letter. I will not write a letter. It becomes a negative sentence because we added not to it. Next we have making questions. We use the formula given below to frame questions using will. So what is the formula? Will, the subject comes in the middle, and then the root form of verb. So will you write a letter? So will you write a letter? So will over here comes first, then the subject, then the root form of verb. So these are the formulas for making the positive sentence, negative sentences and making questions. Here is a form part over here, no slipping. We cannot use will and going to for simple present tense or simple past tense. So we cannot use will or going to make any simple present tense sentence or any simple past tense. Now we have completed the explanation of the chapter. Let us move on towards the exercise of the chapter. I have solved it for you, but I will be discussing it again. Fill in the blanks with will or going to complete these sentences. So you have to fill in the blanks with either will or going to. Next month, he dash turn 12 years old. So next month what will happen? He will turn 12 years old. When are you going to Darjeeling? So it's a question. I will take you with me next month. Next summer, it will not be so hot. Are you going to see the doctor? So going to is like going places, and will, that's something you are about to do and act. Rajan will win this game. Next we have again fill in the blanks with will or will not to complete these sentences. So either you have to fill in the blanks with will or will not. We dash return as soon as possible. So we will return as soon as possible. I do not like capsicum. I will not eat it. Since I don't like it, the negative form over here, so the sentence will also have will not. I will gift you a book if you do well in your examination. So if you do well in your examination, I will definitely give you a book, gift you a book. My parents, over here you can either write will or you can write will not. Both are applicable. My parents will agree to let me to stay at your house. So you can write will or you can write my parents will not agree to let me to stay at your house. Next, Amrita is going on a vacation. So she is going on a vacation. She will have a lot of fun. The sentence over you see starts with negative form. No, I will not tell a lie. So this was for the second part of the exercise. So this is the last part of the chapter, the last part of the exercise. Okay, here you have to make suitable sentences to complete this table. So again I have solved it for you, but you are supposed to do it in your books. So the first one is done for you. Will it snow now? Will it snow tomorrow? So what will be the positive sentence? It will snow tomorrow. Okay, next the negative sentence will be no, it will not snow tomorrow. Next, what is the sentence given over here? The negative one is given. No, she is not going to scold us. So what will be the question form? Is she going to scold us? Okay, so the positive sentence, she is going to scold us. Next, over here the positive sentence is given. Paul is going to order a pizza. Okay, what will be the question form? Is Paul going to order a pizza? Then the negative sentence, no, Paul is not going to order a pizza. Okay, next in the fourth number, the negative sentence is given. No, I will not gift you a fountain pen. So what will be the question? Will you gift me a fountain pen? Okay, then the positive sentence, I will gift you a fountain pen. Okay, so you can see for the going to, when we are making questions, we are using the helping verb at the beginning, then the subject, then then we are using the future that going to, we are using going to, and then the root form of verb. Okay, similarly when we are talking about will, so first we are using will, then the subject, okay, then the root form of verb. So the last one over here, the question is given, will you come to Goa with us? So what will the positive sentence? I will come to Goa with you. And the negative sentence will be, no, I will not come to Goa with you. So this was the completion of the chapter. I would request you to go through the chapter, okay, learn the exercise properly, okay, try to solve it, go through the definition, go through the formulas of the chapter. It is very important for your midterm, okay, and that was all for today's class. Thank you.